Why haven't you started to learn the piano yet? Seriously, it's something you've always wanted to do, but I'm guessing you thought it would be too difficult, or maybe you've tried and failed in the past, but you still have this nagging feeling that you should finally learn how to play someday. Well, I've got great news, because Piano by Pictures makes it easier than ever to learn how to play the piano. Using our simple picture notation, adults everywhere are able to play their favorite songs even if they have no experience at the piano and even if they think they're not talented. This video features a student from our community who has not been playing that long but sounds like they've been playing for years.
Okay, hi kids, Tom Riggs here again. Did a little artwork for my music area of my studio, and today I'm trying to level up to 5, and I'm going to play What Child Is This, also known as Green Sleeves, although my sleeves are obviously not green. A little rough around the edges, but that's the best one so far. Anyway, so hope you enjoyed it. I sure do like hearing all you guys play, and gosh, this has been a lot of fun, and I think my membership is good up until March, so you're gonna be hearing more from me. So anyhow, happy Thanksgiving. See you next time.
Make sure to subscribe and like this video so that you will see more tips on how you can learn the piano faster than you thought possible.